いたします。どうぞお楽しみください。
To the audience, thank you for waiting. We now present the fireworks spectacular. Please enjoy the show.
Dearly beloved, for your entertainment, it's my pleasure to introduce to you Hell's latest arrival, Equal Opportunity Killer Alistair.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. Can you tell me where I am? I don't know how I got here, but I think I'm starting to understand. We used to have such fun together. Maybe you have what I need. But first I have one tiny question. Tell me, do you bleed? Hey, sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can't feel your pain. And baby, I enjoy it just a little bit. Seems since I expired doesn't mean that I plan to retire. And now we have the power to bring all of you entertaining fun. Honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little. Does that make me insane?
Buy me a storm before you buy me a rose. Cover it up before I'm covered in gold. It's trying it on, yeah, you're sticking me on. Say what you want, but I won't ever be told. I'm in love with a monster. When I say I'm stupid, I'm out of my mind. But without you, boy, I'd be bored all the time. No, I don't really care for the same conversation. Got everything I need, and I'd rather be chasing love with a monster. Oh, I'm in love.
Let's take a trip to the edge of the night, where the stars and the sun collide. We'll wait a lifetime, it's our turn to put footprints all over the world. We live forever wherever we go, leaving footprints all over the world. Get us together, we'll never let go. We'll leave our footprints all over the world. All over the world, all over the world. hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do. You see, I've forgotten if that